These 4 holiday cocktails is an easy and delicious party drink packed with fruits like lemon, cherries, strawberries, or herbs like basil. Our first cocktail is the wine cherry Spritzers. This cocktail is an absolute must for the holiday season. Just shred the maraschino cherries onto a wooden skewer and garnish your cocktail glass in advance together with a fresh sprig of rosemary. It adds a festive touch to the cocktail. Then fill your glass with champagne or white wine. Rosemary looks so pretty as a garnish, especially paired with maraschino cherries this time of the year. If you enjoy a fruity but strong cocktail, then look no further than this Red Russian cocktail. Pour whiskey to your desired amount into a glass. Fill the glass with ice and pour in the apple juice. Followed by a simple syrup and stir well. To make the apple garnish, just cut some half-thin slices, and for the strawberry, just cut a slit from the center and place them on the rim of the glass. And yes, apples do a great job of holding up other garnishes. For a simple mixed drink that's tasty and full of holiday cheer, try serving this Red Russian cocktail at your next holiday party. Now, let's make a honey vodka lemonade. This drink can really be served any time of year, but the lemon refresher makes it just the drink for summer. To make the honey vodka lemonade, start by cutting the lemon into thin slices. Next, grab a tall glass. Fill the glass with ice and place 2 thin lemon slices to the center of a tall glass in between ice. Add the vodka and the right amount of your favorite honey. Then, top off with basil leaf. Try this out and give your drink a kick. The last cocktail recipe is the fruity infused wine. I decided to play around a bit. I still have a ton of mint, cherries, lemon, and strawberries left from my last recipes, and I love adding fresh herbs and fruits to alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Cutting them into smaller pieces allows you to add more fruit into each ice cube mold. Fill the ice cube tray that you're using, so the color really pops and the flavor really stands out. And add water to the cubes. Be sure to use either purified or bottled water when making these ice cubes, keeping in mind that purified water will cause the cubes to come out clearer in the end. Then, refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. And when they're frozen, you can pop the fruit cubes out of the tray or mold and enjoy them. You can pop these gorgeous frozen cubes into just about any drink like champagne, white wine, or anything you like. This fruity infused wine is perfect for serving at any parties and very easy to make. No skills required, right? These aren't your typical cocktail. A refreshing and beautiful cocktail with a hint of fruits and herbs make it perfect for the holiday season and all year round.